Will be doing or will have done. Which one do you use? Why and when do you use it? Hi everyone, welcome back to English Sprint. Today we're going to talk about differences between will be doing, will have done. Be with me until the end and you will be use it like a native speaker. Alright guys, please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Now let's start. The first one is future continuous. Okay, and I am going to talk about the functions or uses of future continuous. The first one is an action in progress at a specific time in the future. Okay, it is clear meaning. An arranged or planned future activity. Yeah, sometimes you can use future continuous in your sentences to talk about your arranged or planned future activity, right? So it is somehow weird, but don't worry about it. This one is more formal. If you use future continuous for your future activity or planned activities, okay, so you can use it, but it is more formal, okay? Polite questions about people's plans. All right, the last one is guessing what someone is doing now. So now let's take a look at the structure because it is too important to know the exact structure. Subject plus will plus be and plus verb with ing. Don't forget it. Be is too important here and also ing. Alright, take a look at the example. I'll be recording a video this time next week. Alright, so this time next week. It is somehow uh, time marker. Alright, so I will be recording a video. It means in the future, I'm in the middle of recording a video. Okay, now take a look at the examples. Alright, so the first one, at 10 o'clock tomorrow, I will be working. Yeah, this is an action that, for example, I am in the middle of it in the future, right? So, she will be meeting the manager tomorrow. Okay, this is somehow the second function we talked about. Yeah, it is arranged or planned activities, right? Will you be joining us for dinner? This is polite question, okay, to ask about people's plans. All right, will you be joining us for dinner? It's too polite. All right, so instead of saying, for example, will you join us? Because it is a direct question. All right, so but will you be joining us for dinner? It is polite and also more formal. All right, don't call him now. He will be working. All right, so it is guessing. Someone, someone's activity. Okay, now. Okay, don't call him now. He will be working. All right. So now let's go to the next one. But before that, if you have watched this video until here, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell and turn on the notification for my new videos. All right, future perfect. All right, so a completed action before a specific time in the future. Right? Actually, the most important usage of this grammar is this: a complete action before a specific time in the future. Okay? The second one, to look back from a future point. Okay? The second one, okay, is difficult to understand, but I will tell you in examples. All right? So, but before we look at the examples, let's look at the structure of this grammar. Subject plus will plus have and plus past participle of the verb. Okay, so don't forget to use past participle of the verb, right? So, and also have is important here. Okay, it shows the perfect time here. All right, I will have immigrated by the next year. For example, before the next year, I will have immigrated. Okay, so it means that I will immigrate to another country. Okay, before this time I said in my actually sentence. All right, so let's look at the examples and analyze it. Okay. By 10 o'clock, I will have finished my homework. So it talks about something, okay, an action that, for example, has done before a specific time, they said, okay, by 10 o'clock, not 10 o'clock, by 10 o'clock. For example, 9:55 or 9:45, something like this. I will have finished my homework. Okay, it is done. Okay, complete action. She will have left by the time you arrive. Okay, she will have left by the time you arrive. Okay, it means before you arrive, she left. Okay, in 2030, I will have graduated from university. This is actually this example belongs to the second usage. It is like imagination. Okay. Actually, I imagine myself in 2030 and look back. I look back and I say I will have graduated from university. Okay. Actually, this is looking back. When you get home, I will have cleaned the kitchen. Okay. Again, it means when you get home, I will have cleaned the kitchen. It means the kitchen, okay, actually has already been cleaned when you arrived. Okay, for example, when I arrived, okay, the kitchen will be cleaned. Okay, all right, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end. But here it's your turn to answer me. All right. So try making your own sentences using these forms and see the difference yourself. All right. Comment below your sentences. I will be answering your comments. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day and goodbye.